Hello friends, big news is coming from the Cognizant Technology Solutions. One of the world's largest providers of IT services said they become a victim of a ransomware attack named as Maze ransomware attack that has caused disruptions of its clients. Company released an official statement on its website and states Cognizant confirms that a security incident involving our internal systems and causing services disruptions for some of our clients is the result of a Maze ransomware attack. They also said Cognizant confirmed that it is taking stock of the incident and already started communicating with all their clients on this Maze ransomware attack. The reported Maze attack on Cognizant is worrisome, as it is not like a typical ransomware. Other than encrypting data, it is also to spread across network, infecting and encrypting every computer on its path, and it can also exfiltrate the data of the attackers. Yes, friends. So this is the news which is coming from the Cognizant Technology Solutions. Now let's talk about the Maze ransomware. What is Maze ransomware and how it is different from the other ransomware? The Maze ransomware was discovered in 2019 and hence it gains the notoriety. Maze ransomware operators are known to conduct their attack below the surface and have reputation of stealing the data first before locking their target. Yes, friends. And the approach which they are following is steal, lock, and inform. Now let's talk about how it is different than the normal ransomware. Typically, the goal of any ransomware attack is to infect computers in its network and encrypt file on these computers and then demand a ransomware to recover the files. Yes, friends, in normal ransomware, attack and then demand a ransom to recover the files. But in the Maze ransomware, it is different. Attackers in Maze will exfiltrate or transfer the data onto his or her server first, then the data held on this server until a ransom is paid to recover it. If the victim does not pay the ransom, the attackers then publish the data online. Yes, friends, they will publish the data online if ransom, uh, if the victim will not pay for this attack. So, friends, this is what about the Maze ransomware. As we know, it is now alarming bell to all other IT companies to be more proactive, protective, while 90% of the employers are doing work from home due to this COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. So friends, this is what I have in this video. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and be with us for other videos. Thank you.